Hello and happy Wednesday, everyone. I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy Consultant. Welcome to my channel. If you love all things home fragrance, beauty, body care, you've come to the right channel. So in this video, I would like to share what I have been warming and using in the world of Scentsy. So I'll start with non-wax products first. I got through a Shimmer laundry liquid. Shimmer is no longer available in wax form, but it is available in laundry and also body care. And I love Shimmer. It's like sponge sugar and apricots. But the laundry line was sort of a flop for me. And I've been using the laundry liquid, the fabric soft, the fragrance beads, and the dryer discs. And I just found that you really can't smell the fragrance. It got my clothes clean and everything. It's just I really can't smell it. I think you're supposed to use like 4 pumps for a large load. I basically had to double that just to get some sort of fragrance out of this. I'm going to try Black Raspberry Vanilla. I actually placed an order for that just to see if it gives me a little bit more oomph. Please comment and let me know if you've used the laundry line and what you like, what you can really smell, because this just didn't do it for me for laundry. But so I got through that. Next, I got through a Shimmer body cream, and I did like this product. It was very moisturizing. So yes, I will repurchase this again. Look at the packaging too. It's so cute with the diamonds and the hearts. But yeah, so that's the body cream, and I did like that. I'm currently using the fragrance mist too. I still have quite a bit of that left though. I got through a Candy Crave body wash, and the scent description is raspberry sorbet, cotton candy, and marshmallow. And I really like Candy Crave in the wax, but for the body wash, it really didn't smell like much. It sort of reminds me of the Blue Dawn dish detergent if you added a bit of sweetness to that. So it's just okay for me. I'm not sure if I would repurchase this again. So that's Candy Crave body wash. Next, I got through a Scentsy Go pod in sea salt avocado, and I really enjoyed this one. It's the scent description is like Valencia orange and pink sea salt, and in the pod, this reminds me of an alcoholic beverage. Like I don't really drink. I mean, occasionally, but you know, like if you had a really fruity mixed drink in front of you with some alcohol in it, that's what it smells like. So yeah, I really enjoy this. I enjoy this in the wax form too. So yes, this will be a repurchase for me. Okay, for wax, I got through Belle Enchanted Rose, and I love this one. It's a very soft floral. It's like rose petals, and I think there's some sandalwood in it, but it's a very soft floral, but it's a very powerful performer. I love this. It was in my Scentsy Club and I took it out. So I hope that Scentsy re-releases this because I really enjoyed it. So yes, I would repurchase that. I got through Angel Experiment 624, and this one, it smells like cotton candy, very sweet, very candy-like, sponge sugar, with like a touch of grape. And it's a really, really powerful performer as well. And this one is currently in my Scentsy Club. Very sweet. I love it. Very sugary. Okay, I got through from the Mix It collection, Juicy Apple Raspberry. And this one, you smell apple. You smell raspberry. Very candy-like. You know, it reminds me of Bubblicious bubblegum, like, I think it's the red one, the watermelon one, or Bubble Yum. It sort of smells like that. Very strong performer and very candy-licious. So if you like very sweet, very strong performer as well, very candy-like, you would probably enjoy Juicy Apple Raspberry if it ever comes back, because it's no longer available. Next, I got through Breakfast Blend, and this one smells like coffee. I am a coffee drinker and a tea drinker, but it smells like coffee, like Folgers. But, you know, when I was warming this, one of my friends actually said, it smells like popcorn. So he picked up popcorn for this. I would say it's got like this odd kind of powdery note to it. I warmed this in the kitchen, and I mean, I did enjoy it, so I would purchase this again if it ever comes back. It's currently not available, but that's Breakfast Blend. Next, I got through Pistachio Ice Cream, and I love this one. It smells like rich, sweet vanilla ice cream with pistachios. It's really, really beautiful. This one is in my club. I picked this. I added this to my club last Bring Back My Bar. It's not the strongest performer. I will say that I do have to use 2 cubes in one of my hottest warmers to really enjoy this one. But it's so worth it. You know what you could do if you don't want to use extra wax, you could relegate this to like a bedroom or something like that. It's very comforting and sweet, and I love it. So that's Pistachio Ice Cream, and yes, that will be a repurchase for me. So that's it. That's what I've been warming. My bowl is empty. Please comment and let me know what you've been warming and enjoying. And I'd love some suggestions for laundry. If you've used something and you found it's a good performer, please let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. As always, I pray you and your family are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.